One of the benefits of deduplication is your backup and restore. Let's say my server has 100 gigs of data. We dedupe that and we get a 50% space saving. So now I'm at 50 gigs of data. When I back this up, so that's my server, this is my data, our 50 gigs. When I actually back this up, my backup will remain in a deduplicated state. So my backup is actually only 50 gigs. So it's going to roughly take half the time the backup it would have taken if I was not using a deduplication. When you restore this, your restoration is only 50 gigs of data. So when you back this up, it backs up all the data in the dedupe state. It backs up the chunk store. And when you restore it, it is restoring both of those in exactly that same condition. The reason this is a big deal, because there was some software long ago you could use for backup, and it was not capable of backing up dedupe data. So companies that had invested in this limited backup software, many of those companies were not aware their software could not back up their file server once they deduped it, so they had to find another backup solution. But no worries with Windows Server Backup.